Hey everyone. So, have you ever found yourself looking for the Articulate Storyline 360 user guide? Um, because if you don't really know where to look, it could be a little tricky to find. You might find yourself going to the Google, asking for the user guide, finding it from this means. Or if you're familiar with the Articulate eLearning Heroes community, you can easily access all of the user guides for all of Articulate's tools by hovering over Learn, going to Articulate tutorials and user guides, and then you'll be able to access any available user guide for any of Articulate's products, including older products like the perpetual version of Storyline 3. These can be really handy because they essentially cover everything you can do in Storyline for the most part. Another way that you can easily access the Articulate Storyline user guide is in Storyline. And all you have to do is click this help icon up in the corner, and it is going to open up in Internet Explorer because that's the default with my parallels, but it will open up the user guide for Storyline 360, which is super handy. You don't have to really look anywhere other than clicking the help icon in Storyline 360. So just wanted to share those quick tips because the user guides are a wealth of knowledge and can definitely help you out when you're looking to do something in particular.